Name of the poetry. Life is just but like a dream. Life is just but like a dream. It comes and goes just like a stream. For those who know how to use it, it turns bitter into sweet. Life is just but like a dream. It keeps on growing just like a neem. For those who know how to share it, it turns sadness into happiness. Life is just but like a dream. Its sweetness is just but like the cream. For those who know how to care it, it turns sorrow into joy. Life is love. Sometimes I have to cry. Sometimes I have to smile. Sometimes I have to bear the pain. Sometimes I need to be trained. Forget the past that made you sad. Remember the moments that makes you glad. Forget the trouble that pass away. Accept the blessings that come your way. Life is a gift of God. How can we forget? Hence it should be taken care, as life has no spare. Thank you.